Good morning, everybody. This is Mike Radke of RDS Trader. Welcome to our first hour adjustment. We're going to go through our market list and give you an idea of which markets we believe you should have on your radar this morning according to our rules. Part 5 of the home study. We have a before, during, and after approach. Clicking on with the U.S. events for today. Anything coming out this afternoon, there's a 3-year note auction and a couple other Fed officials speaking later on this afternoon. If you don't know what a report means, along the left-hand side, there's definitions of each of those reports. So hopefully there's nothing to hold you back as to what's going on. And we have it set up for all 25 markets. And the ones in yellows are the ones I'm going to talk about first. Those are our spot currency markets. And then we're going to talk about the S&P's Dow 30-year, 10-year oil and corn as well. But you'll see a neutral zone. This is going to be our red line on the chart. We have 4 levels projected down, which would be a perfect bear run. 4 levels projected up would be a perfect bull run. The U.S. dollar yen is outside of level 2. So this one's going to be on my radar because I feel there's some trending situations are developing. Sellers are taking control. Buyers are losing some significant money at this point. U.S. dollar Swiss inside level 1 here from neutral. Feeling range bound to me. So I'm not necessarily that interested right at this moment. The pound is range bound to me, not really that interested. Gold, range bound, not really that interested. Euro yen outside of level 2, I'm interested. And possibly playing short. The sellers are definitely starting to take control of the action. Buyers are losing money. Aussie US dollar outside of level 2 to the downside, feeling that I'm looking for some short situations. Sellers taking control, buyers losing some significant money. US Canadian in the last 45 minutes to an hour pushed outside of level 2 to the upside. So I'm looking for some possible long situations. So it's one way to quickly just go through 8 markets and say, all right, I'm honing in on 4 of them and just going to now to pinpoint where I want to get involved based upon our rules. Now, what I'm looking for is now is a 2-level pullback, a 1-level minimum to a 2-level preferred. So what's happening here at 91.14, when price action begins to push back up, well, I start to pinpoint where's a 1-level move. That's 91.45. Where's a preferred pullback move to possibly play short the market, 91.76. The other point is then waiting for price action to flip from uptrends to downtrends. Currently, right now, with us in a steep, severe downtrend, it makes it kind of hard to want to sell it right now because it feels like things are overcooked. I'm going to give you guys a few seconds. You can type in or text in some questions if you haven't. Have a good day, and always, always, always have enough money to come back and play the game tomorrow. Take care, everybody.